Here she is. Here comes Diya.
Oh my! Dear Diya, you look so pretty. Doesn't Diya look beautiful? Diya, this is Ajit. He is educated and owns a business. And the most important thing is, he likes you a lot. Dear Ajit, you can stop blushing now. Come on, ask Diya if you want to ask her something.
Dear Ajit, Diya is a harbinger of happiness. Wherever she goes, there is happiness all around.
Let Diya also say something. She is blushing so much.
Sadhna, if girls blush, it means she consents to the alliance. And you and I were also the same in our days.
You are absolutely right.
Our Diya likes Ajit.
All right then, the alliance is fixed. Miss Sadhana, the 4th of October is finalized for the wedding now, all right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
It's clearly visible that he fought with that girl.
Isn't this what you wanted?
Being in Niharika's company, you have started talking just like her, Kush.
I feel like Arjun is getting too much involved in the matters of that girl. I don't know why, but I see this story going somewhere else.
What are you saying, Deepika? You mean more stress?
No, I think Deepika is right about this. Arjun has been away from badminton for a long time. Then, under the pretext of badminton, why does he go to meet this girl repeatedly? I think something is wrong. I will definitely go to meet this girl once. Tell me something, Deepika. The day when this girl came to our home, did you gift her something or you did not?
No, Mom. It didn't strike me that day.
It's okay. I'll go to meet that girl personally. Get the gift ready, okay?
Okay, Mom. You're absolutely right, Auntie. Even I want to see that girl. I need to meet the girl whom Arjun is constantly buying gifts for. Niharika told me everything. So how will we go there? Will we inform Arjun or without informing?
Well, it'll be better if you inform Arjun, otherwise there'll be a big problem.
I don't care about it. But I will surely go to meet that girl at her home.
You didn't mend your ways even after seeing the police at home. But you will now, when you will meet me face to face.
Okay, now it's decided. So you can meet with Ajit's mom and dad and start the wedding preparations and other formalities. We'll leave now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Ajit, let's go.
Yes. Goodbye. Namaskar.
We have crossed the first stage. We'll meet the suitor's parents and discuss everything.
Tell me one thing, when you can't arrange for your meals without a job, how will you bear the wedding expenses, Mohan? I want to be straightforward. Don't expect anything from me, that's it.
Yes, Mohan. We can't help you anymore now. Whatever we have saved is not even enough for Shobha's wedding, you know.
No, Gagan. That's not needed. I have saved some money especially for Diya's wedding. Now, if we still need more money, then we will try to make do with Neera's jewelry.
Well, fine then. Let's meet the suitor's parents tomorrow. huh?
Okay.
Dad, what are you saying? If you spend all your savings on my wedding, how will you take care of other expenses? And what about Bablu's education?
Don't worry about that, dear. I'll handle everything. Meera, we have only 21 days before the wedding. Start the wedding preparations.
Dad, if you spend all your savings on my wedding, do you think that will make me happy? Dad, listen to me, please, Dad.
Diya.
Mom, please make Dad understand.
Dear, he saved that money for your wedding only. Stop doubting your dad for everything, dear.
But Mom,
Come on, help me with the chores.
Hello? Radha uncle, why did you call?
I'm thinking that a lot has happened in the academy in the last few days. Is someone behind all this? Someone loyal to the academy? I have heard that you met Arjun on Foundation Day. Not only this, you even saved him from the guards that day. Are you helping Arjun?
No, sir. No such thing.
I didn't do anything wrong. Mr. Radhu, I didn't say that you did something wrong. I'm just making you understand. Only a few days are left before your retirement. I hope you don't have to suffer in your old age.
Diya, there is a courier for you from Jamshedpur. This is what I was waiting for.
Whose letter is this?
Mom, it's not a letter. It's the prize money of the Jamshedpur tournament that I had won. A check for 10,000 rupees. Take this. Give it to Dad. It will be of great help to him.
Your dad won't accept this money, Diya.
Why won't he?
You know that. He doesn't like you playing badminton. And he would never accept that money.
Mom, I didn't win this money by doing something wrong. I have won this with my talent. I deserve this money. Mom, please reason with Dad. I know he needs this money. Please. Diya, you'll be getting married on 4th October. What will you do now? I wish my parents could understand this. That if I could win 10,000 rupees just by playing badminton, then I could have got a well-paying job by playing badminton too.
Arjun, who used to be drunk until yesterday, has suddenly become the messiah of the players. He even knows how to help that girl pass the eligibility test. You should be more loyal. to this academy than Arjun, Mr. Radhu. I hope you don't lose everything you have because of helping Arjun. Yes, dear Arjun.
Are you okay, Radhu uncle? I'm so sorry. Because of me, Karan reprimanded you.
I'm fine, son. Don't you worry. He won't find out that you and Diya practice together in the academy's old court. But we have to be extremely careful now.
I know. To ensure that Diya loses, Karan will use hundreds of such tricks. But this time, I won't let him win. That's my promise.
Okay, dear Arjun. I'll call you later, okay?
Okay. You also take care. Bye.
I wonder why Arjun doesn't stay away from that middle class girl. If I stay awake all night to spy on him, I will get dark circles. But Tina has asked me to do it. I have to do it. I can't hear anything. What must he be doing? What else will he do? I'm sure he's drinking.
You just need a lantern. You look like a watchman.
Mom!
You didn't spy on me so much. But what made you spy on this Arjun this well, huh? Why? I get it now.
What did you get?
Tina must have asked you to do it.
Yes.
Right.
No. Actually, Mom. Mom is really worried about Arjun. So, what if Arjun is having an affair or something with that middle class girl? You know? Our family business and reputation will be dragged through the mud. You should go now. Don't make me stressed.
That's what I said, my dear. You have been working so hard. Look, if you stress yourself so much, you'll surely get wrinkles and pimples on your face. There's a wedding at home in 21 days. You have to look beautiful out of everyone. Otherwise, what will people say? Huh? So don't ever compromise on your beauty sleep.
How can that be? Honey, can you see wrinkles on my face?
Yeah, I can see them. You have wrinkles below your eyes. The left one? No, the right one. There are wrinkles everywhere.
How can that be? I'll go to sleep right now. Thank you.
Oh my. Arjun is not in his room. Thank God Niharika didn't realize. Or she would have created a scene at home. But where did Arjun go at night?
I won't consume poison, but you have to accept my one condition.
I'll do exactly as you say.
You have to marry the guy who I choose for you. You have to accept him.
The day my dad burnt this racket, it didn't hurt me as much as it is hurting me right now. Maybe it's because I know that it is time for me to forget about badminton for good. Maybe my mom was right. When one thing comes to an end, it also marks the beginning of something new. Who is it? Who's there? You! What are you doing here?
Shh. Don't look so shocked. It doesn't suit you at all. Look at your face. You look so weird.
Forget about that. What are you doing here?
I wanted to tell you something important.
What are you doing? I cannot talk to you right now. Get down.
Not at all.
You will fall down.
Nope.
Look, if you fall and end up breaking your teeth, then don't tell me that I didn't warn you.
Ma'am, right now it's time to hurt others, not yourself.
What do you mean?
I'll explain to you later. First, come downstairs. And listen, I won't leave until I talk to you. Come downstairs.
Look, I cannot come out of the house so late in the night. If anyone sees us together, we will be done for. I cannot come out. Please leave. I'm already quite upset.
I'm here to talk to you because you're upset. Ma'am, you have 10 minutes. If you're not going to come down within 10 minutes, then I'll start screaming. And then your family members will wake up when they hear me scream. And you know what will happen. Come downstairs.
Be careful. What if you had fallen down?
I wouldn't have fallen. You were there to hold me. What happened? Don't think too much. You have 10 minutes. Because after 10 minutes, I don't know what I'll do. Come downstairs.
Oh Lord, please give me a break. I'm facing so many problems. Now how will I go out? I have to go out. This man is completely crazy. He will come inside the house. Oh Lord, please give me an idea.
Arjun will do every possible thing to make that girl win. But how will he do it? I want to know. So I want all the details of Arjun and that girl as soon as possible.
I will do it, sir.
Also keep an eye on Radhu.
Oh, that's great. Now it's raining here. Tell me, what do you want to talk about?
Tell me the reason.
Reason for what?
Why don't you want to play badminton?
I've told you already that I'm going to get married.
After meeting you a few times, I've understood one thing. You have the solutions to such small problems in your pocket. So, Miss Diya Mukherjee, what is this problem and why don't you have a solution to it?
Sometimes the best solution is to accept the situation and move on.
Really? So have you given up?
No. I have not given up. But the path that I had chosen for myself, it's almost coming to an end now. The end.
Our destination decides where our path ends. And as far as I know, Your aim was not to marry.
But what's the point of walking a path like this? When ultimately I have to marry.
Why? Why will you have to marry? So you're getting married for your dad.
You know, last night, Dad got fed up of me and tried to consume poison to die.
Oh, so that means this is a typical situation, huh? Well, you always used to say that until things are fine, the story does not end. So continue on your journey. This is just a break. Your actual destination is different, and that is badminton. If you can't change the situation, then change your approach. But don't stop. Besides, whether it is badminton or marriage, you're doing it for your dad. So whether anyone else understands this or not, your fiancé will. Go and tell him that you want to play badminton even after marriage, for your family and for your dad. I'm sure he will really support you. And if he doesn't agree, tell me. I'll make him understand.
Arjun is right. If Ajit agrees, then Dad will have no problem with me playing badminton.
Are you unable to sleep?
When the mind is disturbed, how can one sleep? It has been so long. I have not hugged Dia. I have not shown her my love. I haven't caressed her head. Every time the situation is such that I get mad at her. Moreover, yesterday I tried to give poison to Dia.
I know that. You did that as you were worried about all of us.
I am shattered, Meera. I am unable to handle anything. Every day I live with a fear. If anything happens to me, how will Dia get married? Meera, I know that I have shouted a lot at Dia. But Meera, the truth is that I love Dia a lot.
Take this. Dia asked me to give this to you.
What is this?
Prize money from the tournament won by Dia.